In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an animated GIF from PowerPoint. First, open the PowerPoint presentation you want to turn into a GIF. Make sure your slides, animations, and transitions are exactly how you want them to appear, because the GIF will mirror what's in your deck. If you have animations that rely on clicks, consider whether you want to set timings so they play automatically. GIFs don't capture audio or interactive clicks, only visuals. Next, head to the File menu and choose Export. In the Export options, look for Create an Animated GIF. This is the feature that converts your slides and animations into a looping GIF you can share almost anywhere, including chat apps, social media, and websites. You'll be asked to choose a GIF quality. Presentation quality gives you the crispest visuals but makes a larger file, which is great for detailed graphics or when you need a professional look. Internet quality strikes a balance between clarity and file size, making it a reliable default for most uses. Low quality produces the smallest file, which is handy for quick previews or when you know bandwidth is limited. If you're unsure, start with internet quality and adjust if you need more sharpness or a smaller file. You can also set how many seconds are spent on each slide. This timing applies uniformly to every slide if you don't have specific animations or recorded timings. If your slides include animations or transitions, PowerPoint will incorporate those, so you might not need a long per-slide duration. Think about how long a viewer needs to read any text and watch animations complete. 1 to 3 seconds is common for simple slides, but more complex content may need longer. When your settings look good, click Create GIF. You'll be prompted to choose where to save the file and give it a name. Pick a folder you can find easily and use a clear file name so you can recognize it later. Click Save to start rendering. PowerPoint will process each slide along with its animations and transitions, then assemble everything into a single GIF. The time this takes depends on the number of slides, the complexity of your animations, and the quality you selected. While it renders, avoid making major changes to the presentation to keep things consistent. That's it. Your animated GIF is now exported and ready to use. Remember, GIFs loop by default, don't include sound, and have limited color depth, so simple graphics and high-contrast text often look best. If the result isn't quite right, tweak the quality or slide timings and export again until you're satisfied.